Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, let me see. Okay, hello, good evening, Google Monster, Coraza Danco, Emulus Helptech from Andy. Okay, Zhou Sensen, JSP Star. Okay, no problem. AD Law, hello. And yep, Wei Chuan. Okay, Jordan, hello, good evening. HSI. Okay. Lee Yi Hong, right? Okay, good evening, Perdana. Okay, Jesse Gore, hello. Okay, Grace, good evening. Okay, can no problem. Okay, market sejuk review. Okay, actually, I think market still alright lah, not that sejuk lah. Okay, just a limited choice, but still got opportunity. Okay, so yep. Before that, please help me to click like and also share this video so we can get more viewers to tune in to our live session. Okay, so yeah, today content we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, OnGo, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, so disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, please help me to share. Okay, share to your group chat, social media, okay, family group chat. Okay, no problem lah. Okay, so as long as we can get more viewers to tune in lah. Okay, let's warm up first. Okay, so far US side is still bullish. Okay, as we can see, weekly point of view, these 2 weeks already bullish. Okay, at the moment today just Monday lah, so still a question. Okay, but for me Dow Jones the resistance to 10 is 41.4 400s. Okay, this is their resistance. But so far still bullish. I still haven't seen sign of weakening yet. Okay. Same to the S&P as well. They are revisiting all-time high. Okay, so far last week closing considered still bullish lah. Okay, so far yet to detect any sign of weakening. Okay, if compared, okay, Nasdaq is slightly weakening. Okay, if compared on the weekly performance lah. Okay, Nasdaq for me is a little bit weak. Okay, but doesn't mean that they are bearish lah. Okay, as long as they can stay above 19.500s, okay, they still got chance to make a comeback. Maybe got chance to revisit 20k. Okay, so far market is still favor to the bull. Okay, we yet to detect any bearishness yet. Okay, and how about HSI? Okay, HSI weekly point of view, in my opinion, they are still alright as long as they are above 14.4k. But currently they have a little bit resistant. Okay, 20 weeks moving averages as 17.8k. And if we back to the daily chart for me, if they can revisit somewhere around 17.4, 17.5k, I think is the good try to the longs lah. Okay, so far I see, okay, based on the trend, you can see this is a downtrend, right? This is a stress test. Then they come out. Now looks like, okay, the chance to make a comeback. Okay, as long as they don't break below 17k lah, so they do have chance to make a comeback. So what I see in the maybe midterm lah, they do have chance to visit 18k or 18.2k. Okay, so far any weakening probably is a opportunity to try on the long side lah. And how about the oil price? Okay, oil price last week closing weekly point of view, they do close with a weekly hammer at $72. Okay, this is WTI, so we can see $72 is a strong support. So last week closed with a hammer, so by right market should have chance to pull up further. Okay, probably to visit $79. Okay, if they can break and close above, we are seeing more upside lah on the oil price. Okay, so at the moment I see oil, they do have the opportunity, okay, to pull up further, probably to $79 or even higher. Okay, and for the gold price, last week closing considered neutral, but they are still above 2480. So buyers, okay, is still more buyers to the bull lah. Okay, bullish buyers. Okay, after this we go for the cryptocurrency. Okay, how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin closing bullish above 60k. Okay, so they close around 64k lah, above 64k. Okay, seems like crypto market is still, yeah, they return already. Okay, last 2 weeks was very boring. Okay, finally we can see a stronger comeback. So I think crypto still got a chance to pull up further, maybe to 68k lah, plus minus. Okay, Ethereum for me okay lah, at least Bitcoin come back, then Ethereum may follow. Okay, so we see whether they can close above 2009 or not. Okay, if able to break above 2009, we are seeing more upside on the Ethereum at the moment. Or Ethereum is slightly weakening against the Bitcoin lah. Okay, based on the trend. And how about our FBMK LCI? Okay, one thing to take note, our weekly chart lah looks like a weekly shooting star. Okay, we do attempt 1660, but by end of week kena rejected down. Okay, closing below 1640, closing 1638. Okay, on Friday. Okay, by looking back to the daily chart, at least we can see, okay, after our market went up so much, a rejection, and now more into sideways. So for me, most importantly, cannot break below 1610 lah. Okay, and for their immediate support is 1625. Okay, stay above, I think it's still alright lah. Okay, maybe they won't follow US that closely, but as long as they go sideways, don't break down 1610, I will say our overall market should be alright. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, I think. Okay, let me see. Greatech. Okay, Gintech. Okay, can. Okay, let's go for the first one from Google Monster. Coraza. Okay, Coraza discounters, they are still below 200 MAs lah. Okay, so we can classify discounter as downtrending. Okay, still below 200 MAs, but recently they do bounce up. Okay, when they stress test to somewhere around 360 or 370, then they retest 425 and bounce up. But what I worry is a lack of volumes only lah. Okay, so tentatively a good sign is they are recovered above 20 MA. Okay, but today closing macam tak begitu kuat lah. Lagi not much volumes. Okay, they do attempt to push up lah, but by end of day got a little bit rejection. Okay, most importantly, probably I will put around 425 lah. As long as the closing price above 425, maybe still got chance to bounce up. But the probability not that high lah. Due to the volumes you can see recent volumes okay saja lah. Okay saja lah. So chances is still there. Okay, just I won't have much confidence with it yet lah. Okay, until we detect a high volume pump in. Okay, so stress test 21st is until 415. Okay, maybe if you want, maybe we can put around 410, 425 is a support zone. If can stay, rebound chances is still there. Tapi if they close below, then most likely they may continue to dive down. And for the resistance, I will use this level lah, which is 480, and the 200 MA is at 50 cents. Okay, you can go further than 525 540 lah. Okay, so far they only lack of volumes. Okay, then how about the Denko? Okay, Denko. Okay, at least these counters. Okay, Friday they do have a hammer a light candle with higher volume pump out. 440 supported. Okay, close above 200 MAs. Okay, today. Okay, with volumes. Volumes today slightly lower lah. W Friday not bad. So they straight hit the resistance 470. Okay, so you can see 470, 475 was a support. Okay, turn into resistance. Okay, so what I see is if moving forward they can go sideways like that, maybe still got a chance lah. Okay, so let me see dancing. Okay, short term a little bit weak lah, tapi long term at least they finally recover above 450 lah. So long above 450, the game is still on lah. Tapi if go below 450, then may continue sideways or sell down. Okay, any chance for Emulus? This one long time no see already. How was that? Any chance? From what I see now, not yet lah. Okay, let me delete those unnecessary lines. Okay, even volumes are also not really support lah. Okay, Friday stress test, tapi no volumes. Okay, the only hope, okay, is a short-term rebound lah. Okay, due to when they dive down further, they do tested 290 and bounce up. So this could be a minor support. Okay, one of the support lah. Okay, Friday they also stress test again. So far supported. Okay, tapi lack of volumes lah. So I would say okay, 290 is a important level for Emulus. Okay, if they close below, we may see more downside. Okay, if they can get supported, maybe they might pull up to test again this resistance zone, which is a 330, 340. Okay, tapi what I see here, you can see even Friday they got support, tapi the volume macam ini saja lah. Okay, and today not much transaction. So, if we pull 290 further, okay, at least we can see back in February they also try to support it lah. So, their last hope 290, 285, stay above, maybe got chance to bounce up lah. Tapi go below then, okay, more downside. Probably they might stress test to 240 level. Okay, so I would say, yeah, chances is there, tapi is low chance. Okay, maybe below 50% lah. So if you want to trade, jaga your lot size lah. Okay, how about help tech? Okay, these counters also consider GG already. Okay, KO. Okay, already break below 200 MAs, already break below 395.40 cents level. Okay, tentatively. Okay, the only chance or we can say the only hope is they found a support at 345. Okay, you can see these counters are help tech or the stress test. Okay, Durian Runto here supported. Okay, so means their last hope at 345. If they break below, they will go more downside. Okay, for me this could be a bearish flat lah. Okay, once they break down, they will have a more fast and furious sell down. Okay, probably to 30 cents level. Okay, but yeah, if you want to try on the potential rebound from this level, yeah, your cut loss you can set at 330, 335 lor. Okay, if the closing below 340, most likely they might continue dive down to 30 cents. So both got the bottoming potential, tapi the success rate I would say pretty low lah. So if you plan to buy, okay, you need to prepare for the cut loss lah. Okay, have the heart lah. At least you know you may lose money in this trade. Okay, how about Perdana? Okay, from Zhuo Xianzhen. Okay, this one already dived down for quite many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 days already. Today make a comeback. So seems like 360 is a good support for them. Okay, today recovered quite well. Even though the volume boleh tahan saja, tapi okay lah. Okay, at least they can erase the Friday losses. Okay, if you notice, quite some O and G counters, they do have some rebound signal. Okay, so meaning for this Perdana, as long as they don't close below 360, should be alright. Do have chance to bounce up further, probably to 435 and 450 lah. Okay, from the MACD point of view is bearish lah. Tapi from the candlestick pattern and the price action point of view, I think they do have potential to pull up further, probably to 435 and 450. Okay, so how about next one is a JSB. This one should be money game previously. Yeah. Okay, this kind of chart usually I will avoid lah. If you see they went up, okay, for so many months, just settle within days. Okay, this one also pull up, pump down again. So you can see the chances of coming down is higher lah. Okay, at the moment the good news is they are still at the bottom lah. Okay, today volume slight improve. Okay, do take note lah. Back in July they just have a dump down. Then not much volume until today volume improve. Okay, I would say this one a little bit dangerous because a lot victims inside these counters lah. Okay, so whenever the price go up, maybe they will try, okay, to reduce their losses, probably break even or cut their losses. Okay, so yeah, so you will see a lot, okay, will face a lot of sell down around here. 750 815 925. Okay, it's a resistant for them. So the chances of coming down is there lah, of course. So technical point of view, yeah, indeed they do have a rebound signal. Okay, lucky thing today got some volumes lah. So meaning don't go below where? Okay, don't go below 580 will do lah. As long as the price above 580, okay, the game is still on. But if they go below, they will have further sell down. Okay, how about Star? Okay, Star today got volume as well. Okay, what we can see, Stars back in 6th of August, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 12th of August, they do have a good pump up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 days. Okay, this one neutral, then sell down within 2 days. Okay, just 2 days to erase all the losses. But lucky thing, the price is supported. Okay, so today volume improved, supported 425. Okay, based on what I see lah. Okay, Star will give you a better chance compared to JSB lah. Okay, so meaning for Star, as long as the closing price don't go below 425 they do have chance to bounce up further lah, probably to 50 cents or 510 level. Okay, this is a resistance for the Star. Okay, at least these counters is still above all moving averages, so the chances is slightly higher than JSP lah. So I will put this as my watch list as well. Okay, let me see. Okay, next one is from AD Law. Okay, Ying Shen. Oops. Okay, Ying Shen actually already hit one of my target. Okay, so far they are still doing quite well lah. Okay, so yep, today they get resisted by 288, which was a extreme level back then. Okay, today unable to go through lah. But the overall trend is still there. So as long as they don't go below 280, I think the momentum should be still fine. And take note on their next resistance. Okay, this is a major resistance. You can see back in 2019 until 2020 is a major resistance within 293 to 3 ringgit. Okay, this is the strong resistance lah. Okay, how about the PIE? Okay, PIE, let me come back. Okay, PIE, I think they are a little bit weak. Even though last week they have made a comeback, like go above the 552, but recently the price already gonna press down. So for me, they are facing some correction lah. Okay, at the moment the price is below 2050 100 MA, also indicate midterm is weak lah. So most likely, okay, unless they can recover back above 552, otherwise I will see they might revisiting 5 ringgit or 440 level like that. Okay, how about the UGTech? Okay, UGTech a little bit weak. Okay, recently they bounced from 200 MAs back in 6th of August. Tapi today they macam close with a bearish candle, break below 200 MAs. So I think they might revisiting 370 lah. Okay. Also major support for the UGTech, which is at 370. Okay, how about Micron? Baru facing a sell down on Thursday. Yeah, Wednesday they are still alright because they are still above 315. Okay, breakout 315 lah. Tapi Thursday breakdown. Then Friday get supported, today neutral. So for me, they might continue sideways lah. Okay, if we zoom out, looks like 315 is a level that they not really can go through. Okay, since when? 2021 also, 2018 also. Okay, so I think Micron at the moment, okay, they're just facing a strong sell. So most likely they might go sideways. Okay, so 235, 220 is your S1, S2 lah. If they go below 220, memang not nice already lah. Now, what I think is they have 235 as a 200 MA support. Okay, stay above, still got chance, tapi may take some times, okay, for these counters. How about the ceiling? Ceiling, Thursday a strong sell, Friday a hammer, today neutral. So take note again, 320 lah. Okay, closing price above 320 still got hope. Okay, closing price below 320 most likely will go back to 280 lah. Okay, so okay, HSI we covered. We go for the Hong Kong counters, which is 9988 for Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba is still fine. Okay, go back above 81.2. Okay, take note on this level only. Okay, 8435. Okay, if we put back, yeah, $84 lah. Okay, this is a resistance since 2023. Okay, $84. Once they can clear 84, another gap to fill 87.6. Okay, so yeah, take note on this level only lah. If they can break through, then you can see higher. Okay, so far I would say the momentum is still favor to the bull lah. Okay, just that they are approaching one of the resistance. If they can clear, they need to fill the gap 8760. Okay, once they fill and break above, then review again lah. Probably not so fast lah. Okay, ultimately $9,600, but this will take months. Okay, maybe months to get there lah. Okay, Perdana, I think we covered already, right? Okay, can't remember already. Okay lah. Okay, already covered. And if you want to use as a watch list, I think also valid lah. Okay, how about the YTL? Okay, Long. Okay, YTL is still weak lah. Okay, for YTL, since they have a breakdown, resisted by, then now is like, for me it's a neutral, and we haven't detect any buyer come in yet. So I think YTL most likely will facing some correction or sideways movement. Okay, so I think best level to wait is somewhere around 200 MA, should be somewhere around 270, 280. Okay, at the moment it's still weak. Okay, how about the YTL Power? Okay, YTL Power, they also have a strong sell last week. Okay, then on Thursday, right, they open gap up. So far, the price is still above 4 ringgit. Okay, if compared both, I would say tentatively, YTL Power is slightly stronger than YTL. Okay, because they already back to this zone. Okay, they already back to this zone. This is a sideways zone, which become a support. Now they're retesting the support. Okay, as long as they are above 350, should be fine. I would say probably they might sideways for a couple of weeks first lah. Okay, at least when they rebounded up back in Thursday, so far they not yet break below 4 ringgit. So at least looks slightly stronger than YTL lah. CMSB. Tada. Okay, CMSB short term is still weak. Okay, 20 cross 50 recently sell down today with a bullish candle tapi lack of volume as well lah. So take note on your resistance 128 if they can break through. Take note on 135 tapi I don't think they can go up too far lah. Okay, because current trend looks not that strong. Okay, and lack of volume as well. Okay, MACD also below 0 center line, so most likely the rebound may attract some sell down. Okay. TNB let's go for Tenaga. Sorry, I need to put Tenaga. Tenaga, still alright. Okay, I'm not sure about after tax problem or what lah. Okay, tapi what I know from here is they have some resistance somewhere around here lah. Okay, 1140. Okay, 14 ringgit and 14.1 lah. Okay, is the resistance zone for Tenaga. Okay, even though today push up a little bit. Okay, probably they also is one of the KLCR 30. Okay, if KLCR want to go up, I think they likely to break above. Tapi if KLCR weak, okay, maybe they are unable to go through 14 ringgit lah. Because at the moment 14 ringgit and 14.1 is a resistance zone for Tenaga. If they can break and stay above, most likely they do have chance to visit 1450. Okay, tapi you can see so many weeks already, they still get resisted by this level. So I would say this is one of the strong resistance tentatively. unless they can close above lah, then different story. Otherwise, they might revisiting the support 1360. Okay, so Tenaga, they are no longer that strong that, okay, they are no longer that strong as previously. They are facing some correction or the likelihood will go sideways lah. This is what I think. Okay, maybe need to take some rest lah. Okay, after Tenaga, how about the Brusa? Okay, Brusa, same case as well. You can see they also revisiting the resistance zone only. Okay, 937955 is the resistance zone. Okay, even today got pumped up a little bit. W, you can see the closing price also not that strong. Gonna press down. Okay, lack of volume as well. So unless they can close above 955, then different story lah. Okay, maybe got chance to make a comeback. Okay, short term wise, they likely will go sideways or have some correction. Okay, how about the Bursa market? Okay, sorry, Bursa market pula. Maybank, okay, Harimau. Okay, so far the momentum is still fine. Okay, this one you can see they don't have, okay, much resistance, okay, compared to Tenaga and the Bursa lah. Okay, this one is still in a good shape. Okay, here what we can see is a potential flat pattern. Okay, so they still got chance to push out further lah. Okay, so tenor on 1040. Okay, so long the price above, this formation is still valid. Okay, W, you can see these counters, they are still above all moving averages. So far, they are supported quite well by the 20 MA. Okay, only one mistake on 5th of August lah. A stress test. Next day recover already. So you can see how strong is Maybank lah. Okay, tentatively is still strong. So yeah, even though you can see market sentiment no good lah, next day recover already. Go back above 50 MA and next day again go back above 20 MA. So I still haven't detect any sign of weakening for these counters. So maybe I will put trading stop at 1040 lah. Okay, market Sejo. Okay, we go for IJM. Okay, market is not that hot as previously, like 10 out of 10 stock, maybe 9 stock, you will get to take profit. Okay, now is a limited choice, but still got some opportunity lah. I still can detect few counters with good volumes come in. Okay, how about IGM? IGM also started to retrace lah. Okay, you can see this is an uptrend lah. Every day go up. Then this one start to sell down. Then when they pull up, you can see they don't have strength to go through already. They get resisted by 2050 MA, resisted by 330, then they sell down. So you can see, now unlike here, here macam one way ticket go up. This one not that easy already. They sell down, when they come out, they macam facing some resistance. So for me, IGM, most likely they might come back down to test maybe 290 or 3 ringgit. Okay, doesn't mean that they will turn into downtrend. Okay, most likely they might face some correction or sideways movement. Okay, so they are still above 100 and 200 MA. So long-term point of view, they are still in an uptrend. Just short-term, they might facing some profit-taking activities, some correction like that. How about the KGB? Okay, KGB is also weak lah. Okay, so they also, you can see they resisted by 20 and 50 MA, 2050 crossover. Okay, this is resistance and sell down. So you can see previously the trend also very strong, right? So now they sell down, rebound, unable to go through, sell down again. So based on what I see here, this one lagi teruk because the price already below 100 MA as well. So most likely they might visit this zone which is somewhere around 275 or 265 zone. Okay, which is somewhere nearby 200 MAs. Okay, so I haven't detect any sign of rebound lah. Okay, you can see these few days okay, these 5 trading days you can see here. Volume here, volume here. So means quite a lot people throw their tickets So at least wait for some bullish signal. Only try to buy if you want. Okay, wait for the buyer to come in. Big buyer lah. Okay, so most likely will come down to test maybe 275 or 265 level. Yep, going south. Yes, but not until like they will turn into downtrend yet lah. Okay, now it's just they need a good rest ah. Okay, how about the BIMB? Beam Okay, Beam is still doing good. Okay, so far you can see after the breakout. Okay, you can see this BIMB sideways here for a couple of months. Okay, ever since the breakout, they sudah jalan a lot lah. So tentatively, we can use a 270 as our trading stop. As long as they are above 270, should be still fine. And if happen, they can go up further. We can take note on this level 2022 resistance, which is 285. Okay, trend point of view, if you notice banking macam not too bad. Okay, if enter earlier, yeah, I think yeah, enjoy the profit lah. Okay, MTEL nothing lah. Okay, this counter is quite illiquid, so no comment. Okay, illiquid. Malak off. Okay, this one, chances is there lah. This one. Okay, you can see this one, they do have a good push up, then a big wash down. Okay, wash down for so many trading days. Okay, finally, today with a bullish candle. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, you can see every day is a red candle until today. Supported 850, close above 880, volume slightly improved. Okay, so chances I think is there. Okay, as long as they don't go below 850 lah, then they do have potential to bounce up maybe to 915 or even higher. Okay, so this one I think the retrace is over and they do have chance to make a comeback lah. Okay, as long as they don't go below 850, I would say yeah, chances is there. Okay, MACD neutral lah. Okay, Carlsberg lah. Okay, Carlsberg is still fine lah. Okay, just the movement, the structure a bit boring only. Go sideways saja. Okay, tapi the momentum all I think okay. Okay, wait for one day to break above 1950. Okay, once they can break through, we may see more upside. Okay, or some rally on the Carlsberg. Okay, how about the AWC? Okay, AWC also not that strong already. Okay, they already started to get resisted by the 119 level, which is a 20 and 50 MA lah. So tentatively they found a small support at 100 MA. Volume tak berapa banyak Okay, MACD also a little bit weak. So for me, I think short term a little bit weak. Okay, they may visit 1 ringgit level. Okay, this one I would say slightly weak lah. Okay, slightly weak. Okay, hello Anthony. Yep, good here. Okay, ATAC. Okay, ATAC not strong. ATAC already break below 325. So 325 would be their resistance. Okay, then 340, 345 lah is R2 already. So the next support, maybe we can look back to the 200 MAs, somewhere around 295. So how about MFCB? This one pun tak berapa strong Also 20 cross 50, 20 cross 100 already. So take note on the support zone 425 and 430. Okay, not that strong lah. How about the Genitech? Still sell down Okay, I think last week, okay, I remember what I mentioned is a 155. Okay, we need to see any reversal signal at 155. If no, we wait lower lah. So tentatively, I think the sell is still there. Okay, even though Friday they do found some support, but today no rebound. Today market continue sell down. So you can see what happened to Genitech back then. Okay, today 12113. You can see last time they went up effortless. Okay, went up so easily. No strong support here. So when they come down, they will come down easily as well. This one a big market. They do uptrend here. They do a distribution here. Okay, distribute for about 2 years. Then finally they harvest already. Okay, sell all already. Then market start to come down. You can see they went up so easily. When they come down, also can come down easily as well. Okay, but in between maybe we'll have some bounce up, continuous bounce up, sell down, bounce up, sell down like that. So, no strong support leh. Okay, the strongest one also break Kaleo 130 also break already. Okay, so for me, okay, I cannot say any support yet until we see some reversal signal lah. Okay, what we can say is on Friday they meet extreme level 105. Okay, so maybe monitor for the next few days. If the price able to stay above 105, maybe may attract some rebound opportunity. Okay, tapi if this level they also break down, 1 ringgit also can break easily lah. Okay, now the hope, last hope, 105. If break down and close below, then more sell down lah. Okay, so how about the FBHB farm price? Okay, new counters. Okay, today make a comeback, lack of volumes. Okay, Friday they do have a mini hammer. Thursday also Thursday also with a hammer. Today close above 590. Close above 590. Tapi lack of volumes these counters. Okay, if you still like this one, okay, take note on the resistance 625. Okay, 620 lah. 620 is a resistance. Because this was the support turned into resistance. Okay, so take note this as your resistance. Tapi I would say they are still weak lah. Okay, and lack of volume. So very susah to analyze. Okay, very susah to say they are good lah if lack of volumes. Okay, EG, okay, last Friday already break below 199. So for me, it's not a good sign. Okay, not a good sign. This is attempt sell down, pull up, unable to go up already, sell down. Okay, break 2050 MA. So even they can pull up, 2 ringgit would be their resistance. Okay, and yeah, for me, not that strong lah. Okay, they could revisit 170 or 180 level. Okay, this is a EG. How about the Fajar? Fajar also more on sideways lah. Okay, they already started to retrace and go sideways already. Okay, ever since they break below 465, actually the price not really go anywhere. So I would say most likely will go sideways. Okay, take times lah. Okay, we don't know when only come back. Okay, how about a CNE? CEN should be CEN. No. Okay, CNERG. Okay, this one. This is the Okay, these counters CNE is a downtrending counters. Okay, because the price is below 200 MAs. Okay, recently they found some volumes. Okay, somewhere around 465, 440. Then sideways, Friday volume improve if you notice here, and today also volume improve. Okay, so based on what I see here, they do have potential for the potential bottoming. Okay, once they can break through 505, okay, do have chance to bounce up further lah, probably to 550 or 585. Okay, if they close below 465, most likely no game lah. Okay, MACD also helps sikit. So I think this one potential bottoming lah, they do have. Okay, next hour. Okay, as long as they can break above 505, probably you can take on 550 and lastly 585. Okay, we just trade this as a rebound trade only lah. Okay, how about the gray tech? Oh, this one not great yet lah. Okay, Great already break below all moving averages, especially on Friday already break below 200 MAs. So weak lah. Okay, you can see this is a sell down. Pull back, unable to go through, continue sell down. So they are revisiting this level, okay, 460, 453, okay. If they break down, you may see more downside, probably to 420 level, okay. If they can get supported, still got chance to bounce up lah, okay, because here got some transaction here. So maybe hope here can get supported lah. Okay, take note on 453, 460 as your support. But it's weak lah, huh? Weak, huh? JCY also 20 cross below 50, also short term a little bit weak. Okay, tentatively they are approaching the important support 535. Okay, if they can stay, maybe got a chance to sideway here. But if they break down, probably 465 40 cents level already. Okay, this is JCY. JPG got these counters memang ada new counters. Okay, Gintech we covered, so we go for JPG, Johor Plantation. Okay, new counters. Okay, high volume pump out on the first date. Okay, so they found a support. Maybe I will put here lah. This one still in an uptrend at least. Oh, okay. Thursday got some rejection at here. Okay, 1 ringgit is their resistance. Okay, Thursday when they pump out, they got a resistance here. Okay, today more on also retest a resistance but fail. So I think most likely they may come back down to test a support lah. Okay, maybe I will put 950. Okay, most likely they may come back to test and go sideways. Okay, tentatively based on this 1 month performance, I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, still okay lah. Don't break below 950, should be okay. Okay, HE Group. Tak berapa strong. Okay, MACD help sikit. Not much volume support. Okay, so far you can see ever since the sell down, when they pull up, they unable to go through 605. Okay, they keep get resisted by here. Okay, so now they are at the support lah, 560, 570. Okay, 560, 570. If they break, then more sell down on this one. Okay, from what I see, HE Group not that strong. Okay, not that strong. If speaking about good EP, no yet lah. Okay, not yet lah. I not so confident to jump in yet. Okay, G-Tronic. Oh, sudah ugly lah. Okay, G-Tronic ever since they break 120 already very ugly. So now they are going back to this level, 1 ringgit level. 1 ringgit 960. Okay, could be their strong support lah. Tapi you can see the momentum is very strong sell. Okay, very strong sell. So we see any support over here. If they break below 960, you may see more downside on G-Tronic lah. Okay, belajar bahasa Melayu bersama-sama. Okay, EDAL TEQ. Okay, very cute name. Okay, EDEL so far they are still fighting lah, in my opinion, still fighting lah. Okay, as they have a high volume pump out, but these few days looks like nothing. Okay, not really do anything, and also with low volumes. Okay, so today they break below 200 MAs, which is 365, and the closing price is 360. If you are still in, maybe you give them a last defense 355 lah. If below 355, then not that strong lor. Okay, not that strong. Maybe kena con already. Okay, and 340, yeah, 355 first If below 355, I think overall not that strong already. Okay, next one. Let me see. VS. Also long time no people see already. Oh, VS also weak. 20 cross 50, break below 113, and you can see they sell down for so many days. Most likely they might come back down to 1 ringgit level. Okay, how about the LBS? Okay, LBS so far still sideways. Okay, as long as they are above 660. Okay, above 660, still got hope lah. Okay, break below 660, then hopeless lor. Okay, how about the WCT? Okay, WCT not bad lah. Okay, today got volume come in. So we can see previously they have attempt to sell down, tapi they super light 960. Okay, so far supported quite well, and today got volume pump up. Okay, so meaning as long as they are above 960, should be alright. And take note on your resistance 116. Okay, this is a WCT. Okay, text neck. Let me see. Wow. Hey, this one. Okay, you bought at 180 and you bought at 12. Okay, this one. Okay, this one I would say not a buy lah. Okay, cannot. Not nice lah. Okay, you bought at here and you bought at 120. Okay, these counters. Okay, I don't know what happened back then. Tapi you can see back in beginning of August, they start to have a strong sell. Okay, of course they have volume lah. Volume pump up. Okay, tapi unable to go through 180 and started to sell down. So for me, macam tak berapa strong. This one also makan down already. Okay, bought at 120. So the last chance, I would say, not nice lah. Okay, I would say they might come back down to 105 or 10 cents level. Then even the price can get supported lah. Most likely these counters will go sideways lah, because the trend is still sell down. Okay, sell down, pull up, continue sell down. So don't average already lah. Okay, but you can consider want to cut or not lah. Okay, what I see lah, most likely they might revisit 105 level. Okay, I would say this one is still weak. Okay, still very weak. Okay, haven't detect any sign of rebound. Okay, any sign of showing CMSB? Any sign of rebound? Okay, for me, what I see on CMSB, today got a bullish candle, right? Okay, the only thing is a lack of volumes only. So what I see is, okay, they do have potential to go up, but I don't think can go up too far. Okay, maybe 128 or 135 only maximum. Okay, because overall trend, previously they hit here, rebound up. So now they come back down, maybe got chance to bounce up here lah. Tapi lack of volumes. So I would not much confidence lah if based on current volumes point of view. Okay, but based on candle, okay, just solely on the candle, they do have potential to bounce up, maybe to 128 132 or 135. Okay, but I don't think will go up further than this level. Okay, 135. Okay, BJ crop. BJ crop is still weak. Okay, what you can see on recent trend, sell down, pull up, sell down. Okay, so recent trend is more on weak. Okay, and most likely they might revisit 335 and go sideways. Okay, bigger trend point of view, they are still in the uptrending. Tapi you can see their pattern, BJ crop 2022, 2022, 2023. They can jalan up, wash down, sideways for so many years. Okay, 2023, 2024, sideways for more than 1 year lah. Then another pump out, wash down. So is it they will jalan like this? We don't know lah. Tapi you can see what happened back then. Okay, from 2023 to 2024. After one trend, they can sideways for many months. So what I see on BJ crop is most likely, okay, they might go sideways. Okay, so depends on your intention. If you want to buy and hold, they are still okay. But if you're trading, nothing. Okay, nothing much interesting. Okay, cloud point. Okay, although not much volumes, you can see the volume not really attractive lah. Tapi if you see here, okay, I close all the lines lah, so you can see clearer. You can see back then, so many hammer here. Hammer also here. Okay, seems like they quite like to support this zone. Okay, somewhere around 740 lah. Okay, this is a unbreakable level. Okay, cannot break one. Once break, so more sing already lah. Okay, so maybe you can put around. Okay, just now put 760 and here I put 740. So from here we can see this is a strong support, cannot be broke. Okay, if they break down, then they may go to 660 or even lower. Okay, based on here, okay, what happened back then is once they hit here, they might bounce up to somewhere around here. So what I see is they do have potential to bounce up here. Tapi to go up further, they need volume to support. Okay, otherwise, most likely they might go sideways like this. Okay, how about the IT Max? Okay, this one is still fine. Okay, even though back in 16th of August, they do have some shooting star alike candle tapi the price didn't go down further. Okay, they didn't sell down further. So I guess still okay. Maybe I put 320 lah. So long the price above 320 should be still fine. Okay, but take note on this rejection zone. 367. This is the resistance. But so far, I think they are still a bit topish lah. Okay, a bit topish. Tapi at least they are still doing uptrending loh. Okay, Peachum, Petronas Chemical. Okay, Petronas Chemical is still in the rebounding mode. Okay, at least we can see they have volume pump in on Thursday. Okay, breakout above 565, breakout above 574. Okay, currently they are still above 565. I would say the rebound chance is still there. MACD crossover. So on the next level to break is a 590 and 6 ringgit lah. Once they can clear, we may see more upside on these counters. But okay, if they go below 560, then the rebound sudah habis lah. Okay, so this one I would say the chances is still there. Okay, next one is a JT Group. Jati Tinggi. Okay, weak lah. Okay, this one weak already. You can see once they broke below, when they pull up, they are unable to go through 555. So JT Group is weak and also lack of volumes. Okay, so most likely they might go sideways and nothing much. Okay, for the short term lah, until we see some signal lah. Okay, how about the MBSB? Okay, so far still fine. High volume power on 19th of August. They yet to jalan to anywhere lah. Ever since the breakout, they just go sideways. Okay, as long as they are above 825, I would say still at the chance lah for the MBSB. Okay, MUI prop. MUI prop hit resistance 455 Okay, here should be a level for you to at least protect partial profit. I think this I do commented before lah. Right? Yeah, I scroll back here. 2020 August. The extreme level 455. So this is a level. If you look back, what happened back then? MUI prop back in 2020 just a pump and dump. Then here. Also, 2014, 10 years ago. If I scroll up, 10 years ago, 2014, this is also is their major resistance, 455. So no matter how, this is a place, okay, should have protect partial profit. Okay, so now they are coming back down. If you still want to fight on, you take on 380. If they stay above, still got chance. If they close below, most likely they might go back down to 325 or 310 level. Okay, this is a MUI prop. S metric. Okay, this one is still in a good shape lah, based on what I see here. Okay, at least they try to support it above 50 MA, and today they recover back above 20 MA. Okay, at least they still obey with the uptrending channel lah. Okay, at least these counters they still want to go up. So as long as they are above, maybe I would say 220. Okay, I would say they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, still in the uptrending mode. So take note when they go up to 260 level lah. This is your resistance. Okay, still okay. Maybe it's a penny stocks. They can control themselves. How about the return? Okay, return is more on sideway already lah. Okay, they also went up so much already, a bit toppish, and now the price is below 20, 50, 100 MAs. Most likely will go sideways tentatively. Okay, this one is a Crestone. Let me see. Crest. Okay, so difficult to spell. Okay, this one is still in a uptrending mode. Okay, even though recently not much volume lah. Okay, at least the price. Okay, as long as they're above 380, I would say still alright. Okay, still alright. Okay, if EP. Okay, whether you want to buy for long term, short term, or trading lah. Okay, depends lah. What I see is the price is went up so much already. Okay, so if already entered earlier, of course you can just enjoy the ride and watch out as long as they didn't break below 380, I think should be fine. Okay, but if you plan just to get in, your upside probably to 453 or 5 ringgit level. Okay, if you think okay with this reward, then you can consider lah. And your cut loss is below 380. Okay, Chengdu. Chengdu no good lah. Break below 30 cents already. Okay. Recently not much volumes. Tentatively, I think nothing much about discounters. Okay. Ice cream ice cream same also nothing much. Okay, nothing much. They also need to wait for the big four to jalan Big four tak jalan they also dare not to jalan much. Okay, Bobby Bank retrace a bit, but still alright lah. Okay, you can see back in 19 and 20 of August, they do pump with high volumes. And recently, they washed down with a low volume. So for me, it's still safe. Okay, take note on your immediate support, 450, 444, 436. Okay, my MA lines is 20, 50. Okay, let me find a chart. Maybe just now, this one. Crest. This one clearer. Okay, let me close my lines. Okay, my MA, okay, the moving averages I use is standard lah, textbook punya parameter lah. 20 MA, 50 MA, 100 MA, and 200 MAs. Okay, so red line is 20, blue line is 50, and the green line is 100 MA, and the orange big thick one is 200 MA. Okay, I use a standard parameter lah, so easier to refer. Okay, I don't want to use a 25 or 7 MA or what. Okay, use a standard one. Okay, Eon. Eon is still alright. Okay, tapi they are at the resistance take note the resistance 154. But so far the structure wise, I think they are still in a good shape lah. Okay, how about the Delium? Okay, Delium today pump up. So far, so good. Okay, even though on Thursday they have some rejection at 138. Okay, today break out with volumes. Okay, above 138, 140. Closing price 145. Okay, take note on their next resistance at 150. Okay, Coraza we covered already. We go for YBS only. Okay, no good lah. Okay, YBS already break 200 MAs. Okay, you can see this is one of the, I would say, a major support lah. Okay, if we zoom out further, okay, YBS discounters you can see this is their major resistance back then, 760. Okay, recently they just broke above, right? 760, 780. Tapi now they go back below already. Okay, this supposed to be a good resistance, then they turn into support, right? Now they break below support. So for me, not in a good shape lah. Okay, most likely they might revisiting somewhere around 640 or even lower. So tentatively, we still haven't detect any buyer there to come in yet. Okay, based on the chart. So I think they still got room to go down lah. Okay, Texna, JT Group, we cover already. We go for Gamuda lah. Gamuda. Okay, Gamuda is still alright. At least they recover back above 20 MA. Okay, the only thing is the resistance 770. Okay, that's a resistance for Gamuda. Okay, WCT we covered already lah. We go for Inari. Tada, tak begitu good lah. So recently they just break below 350, So I think most likely they might revisiting 320 and 326 ah. Okay, Mfla, Micron we covered already ah. Mfla macam okay based on here. Recently rebounded from 200 MAs. So far, the price is above 20 and 100 MA. Okay, 10 on 750. As long as they are above 750, Mfla, they do have some opportunity lah. Oh, probably commodities price all go up. This one pun benefited a little bit. Okay, PWF, I think is still fine. Okay, stress test 880 supported. Okay, even though today pump up, lack of volume only lah. Tapi the overall trend structure, I think they are still fine. Top mix let me see what top mix. Okay, new counters. Tapi if you speaking about the potential trade, I would say yes, they do have. Okay, so we can see these counters are previously sell down, right? But recently the low is getting higher. Okay, they also break out. They also break above 505. Okay, so they do have chance to bounce up lah. Okay, based on what I see here. Okay, the only thing is same lah, lack of volumes only lah. Okay, so if you're still interested with these counters, make sure the price don't break below 485. Once they close below 485, no game lah, cut loss lah. Okay, go below 485 means the rebound sudah over. Okay, MBSP covered, MUIPROP covered, TH Plantation. Let's go for Plantation. Okay, TH Plantation not really going anywhere yet. Okay, tapi at least a good sign is they are still above 200 MAs. Okay, so maybe you turn on 610, 620. Okay, stay above, still ada chance. Okay, break below, no game lah. Star covered already, Mala off cover already. We go for Kaskapi. Oh, ada volume come in. Okay, interesting. Okay, these counters has been low volume for quite long already lah. So they also follow with a sell down, bounce from 200 MAs, supported today, high volume pump up. So let me see. Okay, so we can see their immediate support 265 and make sure the price don't go below 250 lah. Once go below 250 means sudah kena tipu already lah. So expect they might retrace to 265. If they can get supported, maybe got chance to go up further. Okay, at least got volume pump in, then worth to monitor lah, this one. Yeah, even though they have a lot of trap back then. Okay, you can see last time also got high volume pump in. Tapi with a sell down. Yeah, here as well. You can see when this one also tricky. When got volume come in, they sell down. So this time we see though when they sell down, they can stay above 250 or not. If can, then maybe worth to monitor lah. Well, at least got someone there to pump volume in. Hello Patrick. Okay, busy day. Now just come in. Okay, no problem. Okay, Mala off we covered already lah. So later you can play back. Okay, later you can play back. This one okay just how I mentioned okay as long as they don't go below 850 should be alright. Okay, how about the Pharma. Sorry, wrong country. Pharma. Okay, Pharma currently at the crucial support 380. Cannot break, cannot break. Once break also means they break below 200 MAs, which is no good for them. Okay, Remzo. This one long time no see. Okay, Remzo is still alright. Not that bad. Okay, only lack of volumes only lah. Okay, so far the trend is still okay. Okay, just short term they are facing some profit taking or sideways movement lah. Okay, even the stress test they come back. So most likely Remzo will go sideways. Okay, tapi at least still healthy and they need some times lah. Okay, I think they are still alright. Okay, just short term, no opportunity yet lah. Okay, Renhu on the other hand, a bit pressure by 2050 MA. So turn on 130 again. Okay, 130 cannot break. Break, then tak cantik lah. Gabungan. GBGA. Gabungan. They back to the sideways zone. Okay, today volume slight improve, but still not enough lah. Okay, what we can see Gabungan back then, they very like to wandering around this zone. Okay, now they back to this zone lah. Okay, so means this breakout was a false breakout lah. Okay, they break out, hit here, sell down again. So most likely Gabungan will sideways macam ini. Okay, 325 is a crucial support, cannot break down. Once break down, the whole thing tak cantik already. Okay, how about the if you want to buy and hold, you need to know maybe need to have some holding power lah, because they might take some times. And SP Satya still weak. Okay, but if you're interested, okay, take note 200 MAs 117. We see any chance to get supported. But what we can see recent performance, you can see they sell down, they pull back, they sell down again. So if this level unable to hold, most likely they might go back to 850 level. Okay, because you can see they went up so easy, right? Once they break down, they also can break down easily one. So the next big stop should be this zone. So I guess somewhere around here will be the next good level lah. Okay, tentatively we see whether they want to support 117 or not. Okay, this is a 200 MAs level. Okay, how about the MRCB? Mr. Coffee Bean continue sell down. Yes, still continue sell down. Okay, MRCB you can see they have a massive sell down, right? With a rebound. Tapi the rebound, they are unable to go through further. Okay, unable to go through 575, follow with a sell down. So I would say no strength yet lah. Okay, no strength yet. Okay, how about the Eco Vest? No story lah. Okay, the most major support they also can break down already. 435460 also can break down already. So tentatively, I would say EcoWest is still very weak. Okay, it's still very weak. So their next support, I would say somewhere around 355. Okay, recently they tried to support by the major support 375. Tapi no, not so convincing lah, in my opinion. Okay, how about the DC Health? Let me see what counters. Okay, I cannot find these counters. And we go for the tech base. Let me see. Okay, tech base. Downtrending, do nothing is better. Okay, they still haven't shown any sign of rebounding or what. I would say skip better lah. Okay, how about the Magnum? Magnum most likely will go sideways lah. Okay, the structure all is still okay, and I would say they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, just maybe tentatively they need to go sideways within 120 to 130 lah. Okay, how about the CEB? No game no game Okay, this is the last defense for them, 40 cents. Okay, they also can come back below. So for me, tentatively, no game yet. Okay, tentatively, no game yet. SY Group SY Group still alright the trend is still continue. Today pump out a little bit with slightly higher volumes. So I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, don't break below 930, should be alright. But if you just plan to go in, the level macam tak begitu safe because I see the resistance is 106 tapi the trend is still alright. Okay, current level like not so suitable to jump in Okay, SDS today got volumes. Okay, we can see this SDS previously they also have similar pattern at 20 MA. Okay, 2050 MA lah. So they break out, supported 1 ringgit. Okay, we test a 20 MA. Do they break out again? 110. So if happen, they can retrace nearby 110. I think you can consider to KIV and with your resistance 126 lah. But if if market open gap up, then better don't chase lah. A bit risky to chase high price. Okay, let me see. Kaskapi reviewed already. TM. Telecom a little bit weak. They break below 680 already. Okay, let me see the market. Oh, it's still very bullish. Okay. TM break below 680. And yeah, I think short term starting to get weaker already. Okay, if compared to previous trend, you can see the 2050 MA started to want to cross over. So I guess TM may go sideways or retest 650 level lah. Okay, so Armada. Armada is still rebounding. Okay, so what we can see on Thursday, they do have volumes. Break above 520. Okay, Friday pump out a little bit. Today pull up a little bit. Okay, they are approaching one of the resistance, 550. And also is a 200 MAs. So I would say this is a quite strong resistance. Support, then resistance. Okay, tenor on 550. Okay, Kaskapi review already. TDM. Okay, TDM is still sideways. So far, not much volume lately. So I would say most likely will continue sideways dulu lah. Okay, nothing much. Yeah, they only try to support it by 200 MAs, which is a 220. Stay above 220, maybe got potential to bounce up to 240 level. Okay, how about the Tropicana? Okay, Tropicana. Wait for the volumes. Okay, I think they are still fine. Okay, at least they are still above 200 MAs. Structure point of view, I would say still have potential lah. Okay. As long as they are above 140, I would say Trop is still alright. And tenor on the resistance 170, 180. Okay. Tofu. Tofu now back to the 200 MAs. I would say most likely they will go side. Okay, as long as Tofu stay above 2 ringgit, still have chance lah. Go below 2 ringgit, then no game no game for the time being. Okay, RG Tech pump sideways. Tenor on 360 lah. Okay, above 360 maybe still alright. But I would say most likely they will go sideways first dulu lah. Okay, Eco West code 8877. 跌到7788跌到778，still got room 啦，still got room to drop Okay, Systec, okay, a strong sell on 5th of August, then never come back. Recently got bounce of sikit, tapi lack of volumes. Okay, tenor Systec because this is a support, right? Now turn into resistance. Okay, tenor 360 as your resistance. Okay, DCH Care. Okay. This one, okay, the chance is on Friday, last Wednesday, okay, 21st of August, they have volume pump out. So far, market is still going sideways. So for the rebounding opportunity, I think yes, okay, because they stress test already, market able to recover. Okay, ada sikit volume supported lah. So these counters rebound only not reversal or what lah. Okay, if they can stay above 20 cents, Okay, I think they do have chance to bounce up. Okay, maybe to 230. If lucky, okay, if lucky, 30 cents lah. Okay, tapi this one big trend is downtrending lah. Anytime they might just bounce up and sell down. To be more conservative, I will put 100 MAs lah, 240. Okay, because previously when they rebound, they also hit 100 MAs only. So I put here lor. Okay, unless they can clear, then you can see under 30 cents. So this can use as a TP1, TP2. Okay, at least take partial lah when they hit 240. Tapi if they go below 20 cents, no game lah. Okay, go below 20 cents, this is considered a fail already. Okay, how about the UWC? No game, this one still ugly, UWC. Yeah, even though here is a potential bottoming, but haven't have a sign of rebound. Okay, here indeed they have a sign of rebounding. Tapi rebound to 20 MA saja, they kena sell down. So this one, wait dulu lah. Okay, even though, okay, historical proven rebound area, tapi now seems like not so successfully. Okay, so maybe wait dulu loh, wait for some signal. No signal memang dangerous lah. Okay, current min so far supported by the 200 MAs. Friday got volumes with a hammer. Today bounce up, but they need to clear 910. Okay, once they can clear above 910, should be alright. Okay, Mala off we covered already. We go for DNEX. Oh, disappointing. DNEX they have a bounce up, but unable to stay above 395. Follow with a sell down. So tentatively no game yet. Okay, energy sector got volume in just a while. Okay, energy sector, they are quite depending on the oil price. Okay, so as we know, oil price is very volatile. Okay, today can be very good, tomorrow can be sell down overnight. Okay, and this is most likely will depending on the global sentiment. So it's out of our control also lah, right? So maybe what if the war tension increase, maybe the oil price will jack up, then maybe energy sector only will follow. So it's quite difficult to predict lah for me lah. For me it's quite sometimes anything happen over the weekend then Monday you only can buy or sell only, right? So energy sector is quite rely on the oil price, okay, the sentiment lah. So tentatively what we see is oil price, they do have chance to bounce up further. So maybe this also brings the energy price go up. Okay, but for me short term lah. Okay, got money take then cabut lah. Okay, don't hold for too long lah. Okay, unless the oil price okay, just a heads up lah. Okay, what we can see on the WTI price or the world oil price since 2022 until now actually they not really go anywhere. Okay, if you look into the chart like this is a 2022 October until now okay, our oil price is trading within this zone only, not really go anywhere. So these few years you also won't feel oil price go up too much or some fearful due to the oil price. Okay, they are just going sideways only. Okay, until they break above $92 or $100, okay, the media will start to promote already. They will say, oh, oil price go up so much or what. Okay, then the OG counters only will have a bigger trend. Otherwise, just a pump and dump only. In my opinion, this is what I see. Okay, CWG, I think nothing much yet. Okay, not much volumes. Okay, they somehow break below 30 cents, which is not so nice. Okay, SH Chan. No good as well. Break 200 MAs, break 330. So, no good. Okay, nothing lah. Okay, the structure nice one. They also break already. So, no good lah for this one. Okay, skip lah. Okay, last one is a Westland. Okay, Bowest. Okay, Bowest haven't reviewed. Okay, VLB is still alright. They are still in an uptrend, even though recently not much volumes. As long as they are above 50 cents, VLB is still alright lah. But you take note on the resistance 565 lah. Okay, last one is Bar West. Okay, but that's a bit disappointing. Okay. Previously, what I reviewed when I reviewed on Bowers, I was quite positive with them because they are still going up like that Okay, and they do have potential to go above 525. Tapi, unfortunately recently they break below 480. Okay, so now already very weak. Okay, if they lucky break below 445, then they will have more sell down. So we can see here they are keep resisted by the 200 MAs. It's very very weak. Okay, it's very very weak. Okay, so yep, Ismail Adam. Yep, welcome, no problem. Okay, for stocks like oil price, palm oil. Okay, OG lah, OG palm oil, gold, and metal steel their sentiment is quite rely on the commodity price. Okay, if the commodity price go up, then they will follow lah. If they come down, they come down. So it's quite, for me, it's more volatile, is very difficult to control lah. Okay, most likely they will just pump out few days, then they sell down already. So this one, if you trade these counters, mostly you do day trade or fast in fast out trade quick day trade, then still alright, but don't hold for too long. Okay, so yep, that's all for today, and our next live session is on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday 8:30, and next Monday is a Bursa holiday. Okay, and also it's a Merdeka lah, right? So thank you Sifu for having me here. So if you yet to join, download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They're available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have a interactive live chat. Okay, Sifu, when will the market make a comeback? Actually, the market still okay. Okay, actually the market is still okay. Just that selective counters. Okay, one of the reason what I see okay, I may be wrong if our ringgit, okay, is our ringgit drop too much? Oh, okay, not drop too much. Is our ringgit went up too much already? Okay, from 480 now it's about 434 like that. Okay, as you can see, if you use 1000 USD previously you can buy 4008 already, right? Now you can buy 4003 something only, right? So for me, okay, for the foreigner, it's like, no longer that attractive to buy into Bursa market. Okay, even though you are Malaysian, you will try to change your ringgit to US dollar, maybe go to buy the US counters already, right? So for me, this could be one of the reason makes our market not so much volumes now lah. Okay, oil macam no game. Yeah, for me, oil they are still in the big sideways. So they already sideways actually within the range for about 2 to 3 years already lah. So pending for the breakout or breakdown only lor. Okay, once breakout, maybe actually oil go up also no good lah. Okay, for me it's a kind of inflation also. Okay, the cost will go up. So tentatively they are still controlled and still in the sideways. But based on the trend and the structure, they do have potential to break out lah. Okay, to go up. Maybe another spike out to $100 and above. But yet to happen lah. Okay, yet to happen. Okay, that's all for today lah. Okay, we already near 10 p.m. already. So thank you everyone for staying up until so late. And happy tradings lah. Okay, Bursa is still alright. Just not so much counters to trade. Okay, and previously we have most counters is depending on the strong USD. Okay, because we export nah. Now ringgit weak already, ringgit strong already so maybe will change already lah. Those import one will get benefited and those export one will kena teruk lah. You can see 480 to 443 something is about 10% already right? Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you everyone, and see you on Wednesday. Okay, thank you.